this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link, and it would be great if you joined the small YouTube family. Now, today's video is a get ready with me. I'm a size 16 UK. I usually wear 14 t-shirts, or no, size 14, not 14 t-shirts at the same time. Size 14 for the upper body, or large at Zara, extra large sometimes, 16. So I'm between a 16, a 14. Sometimes for trousers I wear 18 as well. So this is my size. I'm 161 centimeters height, my height, and yeah, so I'm a teacher. We're not really teaching at the moment. We're planning and stuff like that. So my outfit is, you know, everyday, casual, formal work appropriate. I'm wearing a t-shirt from Zara, which is £12. I really like these t-shirts. I'm going to show you a close-up later on because they're very slouchy. Hang on, I'll move a bit further away. So they're really slouchy. They're very forgiving. They don't cling onto your body. Mine is I have it in different colors. It's one of my favorite t-shirts. They come out every year, so I always repurchase them, and I think they're really nice. They wash well. You don't have to iron them. Best thing ever. So I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing my wide leg H&M trousers. Let's go back. I bought another pair. I had bought some a while back, but this is a large. I had an extra large and I went and bought a large because the extra large was a bit big. I really like the waist because it's elasticated, and that's really good. And I'm wearing a necklace with 2 chains. I don't remember where I got this from. I got this ages ago. And these earrings are from a Greek brand. I think it's Miraraki or something like that. And I had got them in Athens ages ago. Now, the t-shirt, as I said, is £12. The trousers are $17.99. I've washed them. They're good. After a while, you might see a little bit of a bubble on it, but you can't see it, so it's fine. That did not make sense. You might see, but you can't see it. It's not very evident. Now I'm going to show you the mirror, the front, so you can see the look close. It's just a simple everyday look, and then I'm going to show you my makeup. So this is the t-shirt, as you can see. Nice shoulders, sleeves, and then the trousers are wide, and they have, as I said, an elasticated waist. I always like tucking my t-shirt a bit in. I don't know, I like the way it looks when it's a bit tucked in and not too tucked in, and not, you know, flowing all over the trousers. I think it makes, anyway, I'm going to fix it because it was all right earlier. And yeah, so let's turn the camera. Come back with the makeup look. I'll tell you what I'm going to put on my face. This is an everyday get ready with me. Stay tuned. So on my face I have the Dream Urban cover. I'm in the shade, what's this called, Sesame. So it's this. I didn't like this in the beginning. I like it now because it has an SPF 50, which is really handy. It's medium to light coverage. You can see it covers a bit. It's quite long lasting. I would give it like 6-7 hours, not more than that. And then I'm wearing my 16-hour camo concealer by e.l.f. and my Insta Fix Matte, which looks really bad, by Rimmel. That's my powder. And the brush I use to apply my foundation is this Eco Tool ones. This is for the foundation, and I use the little one. I like because the brush is dense. For the concealer. Okay, so I'm not wearing any mascara because I couldn't find it. Now on my lips I have the Powder Puff NYX in Puppy Love. So this is what it looks like. I really like this. It's a matte lipstick, but it's not drying, and it's like a powder. It's easy to apply. It's quite long lasting. Really like this. Bronzer, I'm wearing my Laura Mercier O2 bronze. I've had this forever. I really like it. It's subtle and I like that about it. It's easy to blend and all that. I'm wearing my Rimmel Kate. It's three blushes together. I'll show you which one I'm wearing. I'm wearing the middle one. So that's on my cheeks. And I'm wearing my Bobbi Brown highlighter in Pink Glow. In real life you can actually see it. I don't know if you can see it now, but it is glowy. And on my eyes I'm wearing this Kiko Milano eye pencil stylo thingy. It's in the number 07. It's very subtle. I don't feel like wearing mascara. I can't find my mascara, so this is how I'm going to finish off. So this is my get ready with me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I do lots of plus size, extra large, you know, easy get ready with me, makeup for glasses, makeup for people who can't see well like me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.